Picture this. It's a Tuesday night, you're scrolling on the couch, and a message lands saying your taxable income has been recalculated and you need to log in now to avoid penalties. Your stomach drops a little, right? That reaction is exactly what the scammer is counting on. And if you've ever paused over one of these and felt unsure, that's not you being naive. These are genuinely convincing now. In May 2026 alone, Australians lodged 1,186 reports of ATO impersonation scams according to the ATO. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple checklist to verify any ATO contact yourself in under a minute. Here's why this matters more to you than ever before. According to the ATO's December 2025 scam data update, impersonation scams are up 300% on the same period last year, and the ATO logged over 1,167 impersonation contacts in December 2025 alone. The reason you can't just eyeball these anymore, the messages now copy the ATO's branding, tone, and formatting so well that the logo tells you absolutely nothing about whether it's real. And here's the part most people miss. The way you beat this has nothing to do with spotting a dodgy logo. Before we get to the steps, I want you to understand what's actually at stake so you'll take this seriously. ScamWatch reports Australians lost more than $3.1 billion to scams in 2022, with $292 million lost to phishing alone, the category that includes fake MyGov login pages. Once a scammer has your TFN and MyGov login, they can lodge false returns in your name, redirect to your refund, and even target your super. So, one mistaken click isn't a small thing. It can snowball into tens of thousands across several tax years. Now let me show you the habit that stops nearly all of it. Step 1 is the single habit that defeats almost every ATO scam, and it costs you nothing. Instead of tapping any link, open your browser yourself and manually type my.gov.au, sign in, then select the Australian Taxation Office service and read your inbox and account summary. The ATO confirms that genuine messages are stored inside ATO online services and only appear after you log in yourself. So if the email or text claims a debt or a refund that simply doesn't show up there, you're looking at a scam. Full stop. No panic, no clicking, just a 30-second check. Here's the genuinely encouraging part of the data, and it should take some pressure off. Across those 1,386 impersonation reports in May 2026, the ATO recorded $0 in confirmed payments that month. 0. That tells you these scams only ever succeed if someone clicks and pays without checking first. The simple act of logging in directly, the habit I just showed you, stops the loss before it can even start. You're more in control here than you probably think. Step 2 is your personal verification hotline, and I'd save this number right now. If you get a call, text, email, or social message claiming to be the ATO and demanding payment or personal details, don't engage with it directly. Hang up or ignore it, then dial 1800-008-540 from a different phone if you can, and the ATO will confirm whether the contact is genuine. Now, I'll be honest with you about one thing that trips people up. Scam callers often spoof local numbers to look legit, while a real ATO call may actually show up as no caller ID. So a familiar-looking number proves nothing either way. That's why you call them, not the other way around. Step 3 closes the door before scammers can even reach it. Log into MyGov by typing the address manually, review your security settings, set a strong unique password, and turn on two-step verification wherever it's available. Then inside ATO online services, confirm your registered email, mobile number, and bank account details are all correct, because that's exactly what a scammer would try to quietly change to redirect your refund to their account. 10 minutes now saves you a nightmare later, and there's one more move that makes you fast when it really counts. Step 4 is about being ready before anything happens. Save report scams ato.gov.au and the number 1800-540 in your phone right now, and bookmark a ScamWatch so you can report a suspicious message within minutes instead of scrambling. And if you've already shared information or clicked a link, please don't panic and don't feel silly. It happens to careful people all the time. Just phone the ATO as soon as you can on 1800-008-540 so they can flag your account and limit the damage before it spreads across multiple tax years. Let me put a real number on why these steps are worth 10 minutes. Take a modeled example. A payroll officer named Sarah, someone just like you juggling a busy tax time. If you're the lucky end, maybe it's only a $4,500 fake debt payment before you catch it. In the middle, at around $4,000 in diverted refunds over 2 years. And at the worst end, a $20,000 fraudulent super withdrawal before her fund freezes the account. That's roughly $5,100 over 5 years from one missed warning sign. And that's before the months of stress unwinding it all. This is illustrative only, but you can see the shape of it. Here are the 4 traps that catch even switched-on people so you can sidestep them. The biggest one is trusting the logo. Scammers now use AI to copy official branding and tone almost perfectly, so a professional layout proves nothing at all. The second is clicking the link just to check, which can hand over your credentials in an instant. The third is paying a so-called debt before verifying it. And the fourth is ignoring an unexpected MyGov security alert about changes to your details. That's often the very first sign your account is being targeted, so never wave it away. If you remember one thing from this whole video, make it this: it cuts through every disguise. The ATO and MyGov will never send you an SMS or email with a link to access online services, and they will never ask for your sign-in credentials, TFN, or bank details in an unsolicited message. So no matter how real it looks, a login link in a text or email is a behavioral red flag that overrides the branding every single time. That one rule alone puts you ahead of most people. Let's lock in your 5-step check so it sticks. 1. Verify every ATO claim by logging into MyGov directly yourself, never through a link. 2. Call 1800-WAZO-08-540 before you pay or share anything at all. 3. Lock down your MyGov account with a strong password and 2-step verification. 4. Save your reporting path so you can act in minutes, not hours. And 5. Never trust a login link in a text or email, no matter how official it looks. Do these 5 and you've genuinely outsmarted the scammers. If you've made it this far, you now know exactly how to verify any ATO contact in under a minute. Something most people scrolling right now genuinely don't. The one thing to do today: save 1800-WAZO-08-40 in your phone before you close this video. It takes 10 seconds. And if you want to go deeper, next up I'll walk you through setting up 2-step verification on MyGov in about 5 minutes, step by step. I'm Sophie. I'll see you there.